Hi everyone, it's Reece from PRAESTANTIA. In this next video I'm going to show you how to create channels and why you create channels in your classroom. Enjoy! So hi everyone, so today we're going to talk about channels in our classrooms. So two real uses that I've seen teachers use before while using these is number one, using them for particular modules within a subject. So if you're in English, it could be Shakespeare, Romeo and Juliet. It could be a particular assignment. And the second reason I've seen is actually setting different levels of work for different children. So we're going to drop into my classroom here to add a new channel, and there's two versions of two ways of doing this. So if we click on my three little dots here, add a channel. So first of all, we're going to create a public channel for all the students within this class. So if we call this assignment 001, you put in a description for the students, whatever you feel that they'll be able to recognise. We'll leave it as standard so everyone in this team can see this channel, but I think it's also important to automatically show this channel. So we're going to click there and click on add. So now everyone within this team will see that channel, and you'll see here you've got your posts and your files, and you can add stuff to this so that pupils and students will see this. The second way is making a private channel within this team. So we're going to click on our three little dots again, click on add channel, and we're now going to say this is going to be group 1, for example. Put in our description, but now we're going to set this as a private channel, and now when we click next, it's going to give us some other options. So this is where we can add students and teachers to this group. So I'm going to add our test student. You click on OK, and you click on done. And you'll see that it's got this little padlock here. So this means that it's a private channel and that only people that can see this channel have to be part of this group. I hope that helps. Have a good day and enjoy. Bye.